What's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Hey guys, so today we'll be talking about these two new products that I picked up. Well, this one, the Bounce Beauty Blender Bounce Bronzer / Highlighter Magic Fit Creamy Bronzer and Highlighter Duo. This was from Influencer. I have a link below if you guys want to join Influencer. You review some of your products and then they'll start sending you free products. Just check it out if you're interested. I've been doing it for years now and it literally doesn't cost me anything. So that is that. And then I also picked up this e.l.f. brow lift. I was watching a video, I think it was Jackie Ina, or Lavishly Jackie is her new channel name, and she was doing her brows with the Anastasia brow gel, and I was like, let me see if I can find a dupe for that. And apparently all the girlies on TikTok, which I am not on TikTok, but I am on Instagram, so follow me over there on Instagram. I will leave my handle here. And all the girlies over there were talking about this is a dupe for that. I've never tried it. And honestly, I don't think I even used it right, but I used it twice. So I'll show you both times that I tried it, as well as today I have the bronzer and highlighter on. Quick overview: the bronzer, gorgeous. The highlighter, gorgeous. I feel like you can't really go wrong with a nice golden highlight. It literally just highlights my cheeks here. And then I have the bronzer on. I'm still working on my bronzer game. And then these are my brows. I did them a lot thicker today than I did the first time, so I'll show you guys about that as well. But if this is of any interest to you, let's get into it. So here is the e.l.f. product. This is my first attempt, y'all. I clearly do not know what I'm doing, but just join me for this incredible ride that we're about to go on. Here's the gel. It doesn't have any smell to it. And I'm using my it's for my fingernails, but it's clean. I didn't buy the applicator because I didn't even know if I was gonna like this product. So I'm using my Milani Easy Brow spoolie. It's a clean spoolie to brush my brows in an upward motion. I've seen that's kind of how it works. I don't know. I didn't even watch any videos on it. And I was like, okay, how am I gonna apply it? So then I put a little bit of the gel on the spoolie as well, and I just continue to brush up. And what I realized what I should have done was let it kind of set first. But instead I went right in with the Milani Easy Brow in dark brown, my favorite. So on this side I have the product, on the other side no product. I'm going to show you the brows here. Boom, snapped, there it goes. You can see how one side is brushed up, one is not, but honestly I can't really tell the difference, and the side without the gel looks better to me, but y'all tell me what you think in the comments below. So now I'm going back in with that spoolie. I made sure to wipe it off to make sure it didn't have any gel on it, so I didn't transfer it to the other side. But as you can see, I just kind of brushed them up, and this is what they look like. Honestly, I'm not really sure. Here's the before, here is the after. Again, this was my first attempt. Let's try it one more time. We're gonna go on to the second attempt. So this was the next day, and I applied it the same way, but instead I did it on both brows, and I really went real ham with it, and I pushed them completely straight, as you can see here. And this is giving the full bushy 80s bushy brow. So if that's the kind of brow you like, this gel absolutely is for that. I think I did the brows too big, y'all. I think next time what I'm going to do is kind of how I did the first time, but instead I'm going to let it set a little bit longer, and definitely not going to do my brows this thick because I don't think I look good with thick brows. But I hope you guys enjoy that little part right there. I want to give you guys the correct name. This is the Bounce Magic Fit Creamy Bronzer in Deep Bronze and Highlighter Duo, and the bronzer is in the color Chocolate. So there you have it. This is Chocolate and Deep Bronze. And I use the Fenty as my base foundation. So the color, I think I used 440 if I'm not mistaken. So it's a little bit darker than my normal skin tone. But I feel like at the end of the day, it worked out perfectly fine. I did put a little too much on this one side, but girl, you know, here it is. The highlighter is absolutely gorgeous, and I think it balanced really well. Next time I think I'm going to do apply the highlighter with my little highlighter brush instead of the Beauty Blender or Real Techniques blender. I don't know why I use that, but I still think it's a great combo, and this is absolutely a great product. I will let you guys know how much it cost on the screen here. And yeah, this is just a nice natural everyday face to me. I'm gonna take some of that bronzer again and put it on my eyelids just as a little eye color, and I think that's a great eye color as well. It's not too thick, it's a nice thin consistency, and it doesn't really have a smell to it. And here is the final face in the daylight, so you guys can kind of see that the bronzer, it looks dark in the bathroom, but it doesn't look that dark in the sunlight, and it's highlighting these cheekbones. Okay, and then here's the bronzer on my eyes. Definitely could have blended that out a little bit better, but there you go, there you have it. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that talk through review slash show and tell. And I will catch you guys, well, you'll catch me in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.